Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path.
திருக்குறள் இன்னா செய்தாரை ஒருத்தல் அவர் நாண நன்னயம் செய்துவிடல்.
Today's news, international news. Zelensky says Ukraine faces choice of losing dignity or risking loss of free partner with US plan. National news. PM Modi meets Australian counterpart, discusses cooperation in defense and security. Critical minerals. News. Cricket. West Indies recall veteran passer Rauch for New Zealand Test tour. Educational news. School to report on compliance with the mental health guidelines. Education Minister. Weather conditions. Today's climate in Kanchipuram is partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. The current temperature is around 24.6 degrees Celsius. Thank you.